Hey guys, I have a east facing wall and you could see the floor right by the window is colder. You can see it's just the floor as I get closer to that wall, and it makes the room feel really cold, and I'll show you what's going on downstairs and why that's happening. And now I'm in the basement directly below that area, and you could see that there's a little bit of a draft coming in from this window down in the basement, and there's the way it was installed, there's a little draft there, as you can see if we step away from it, and this tube could use some insulation. There's a little bit coming through there. So I'm going to foam seal all this perimeter and also use some foam board in there. And I also cleaned off the other area because it does also could use some help. I mean, it's not too bad compared to the other side, but also sealing that up is going to help tremendously, and I'll show you what that looks like after I get a few steps in. Alright guys, next I cut a piece of this foam with a handsaw, and then I'm going to stick it up there. I put some caulking on it, and that I cut it to 9 inches, and it's 9.5 between that floor and then the bottom of that joist, and I'm just going to butt it up against that line, leaving about a 1/4 inch there from that gas line coming into the house, and then I'll make a smaller piece that'll go between the gas line and there. Well guys, this is basically what it turned out to be like. You could see after getting the foam in there, it's sealed up, and then we'll go up and see what the temperature is like. I did open up those little holes with this drill bit that I was able to get in there so that I could fit the tube in there a little bit, and then get all the way into the back of the window so that it filled up that whole area. But you could see here it's fairly well insulated now, and then I'll show you if it made any difference up on top. And you can see I did the area where the exhaust for the furnace goes to. Okay guys, you could see the temperature of the floor is a lot better than it was before in this area. See, as I get closer to the end, I just did it, so the floor hasn't had a chance to really warm up, but it's within a degree versus the way it was. And hopefully you found this helpful. Give us a thumbs up. Would appreciate all your support, and like and subscribe. Thank you.